Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, today we start one very important topic of this chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. That is chemical properties of acid and base. During this topic, here we study that is a chemical reactions of acid and base with metal. Then chemical reactions of acid and base, just on your metal oxide. Chemical reaction with non-metal oxide. Then chemical reactions of acid with a metal carbonate. Means in this way here, in this topic, here we study the total chemical reactions of acid and base with other factor here. Dear student, today we start one topic here, that is a reactions of acid and base with metal. Dear student, you know here acid and base react with metal. Acid and base react with metal, forms their salt and hydrogen gas. Acid react with metal, forms a salt and hydrogen gas. Base also react with metal, forms a salt and hydrogen gas. You know, dear student, when we study a such type of chemical reaction, it is necessary to know the common statement and common equation of that particular chemical reaction. It is necessary to know the chemical reaction there. You know, it is necessary to understand that is common statement and common equation of that particular reaction. Dear student, firstly we study that is reactions of acid with metal. Then we study the reactions of base with metal. You know how we study the reactions of acid with metal? Reactions of acid with metal. You know, dear student, acid gets react with metal, form salt and hydrogen gas. Just hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, they get react with metal, forms a salt and hydrogen gas. You know, that is the common statement of this reaction, and you know we study the common equation also there. Look here, what is common statement? That acids react with metal, forms salt and hydrogen gas. Forms salt and hydrogen gas. That is a common statement of this process. Dear student, when metal react with acid, form salt and hydrogen gas. Salt of that particular metal here. If metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, forms a metal chloride and hydrogen gas. And when metal react with sulfuric acid, then that forms a sulfate of metal and hydrogen gas. Dear student, look here. That is acid react with metal, forms salt and hydrogen gas. What is the common equation? That is metal plus acid, that gives salt plus hydrogen gas. That gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Metal plus acid, that gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Means in this way, here that is the common statement of reaction and common equation of the statement. Means in this way, here we study the example here. Example, that is metal react with hydrochloric acid and metal react with sulfuric acid. That is, here we study the chemical reaction of zinc with hydrochloric acid and chemical reaction of zinc with sulfuric acid. Look here, what is the example? Metal like a zinc metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid, forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Dear student, which metal is there? Zinc is a metal. React with which acid? That is a hydrochloric acid. Which are the products here? That is zinc chloride is a product, that is the salt of zinc, and you know that is hydrogen gas. How we write the equation here? Equation, that is Zn plus twice HCl. Zn plus 2HCl, that gives ZnCl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas. Dear student, Zn is a metal, zinc is a metal. It reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid twice HCl, that gives ZnCl2. That zinc chloride is a salt there plus hydrogen gas. Means metal react with acid form salt and hydrogen gas. That is the first example. Means zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid. Dear student, then we study that is a metal or zinc react with sulfuric acid now. When zinc react with sulfuric acid, dear student, you know here that zinc react with sulfuric acid. Example number 2. When zinc metal react with dilute sulfuric acid forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Dear student, you know metal is same, that is zinc. Acid is there, a sulfuric acid. Product is a zinc sulfate, a metal sulfate there, a salt, and you know that is hydrogen gas. You know what is the equation? How we write the equation of this topic? That is a Zn plus H2SO4. Zn plus H2SO4, that gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Zn, that is zinc, it reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4, that gives ZnSO4 zinc sulfate plus H2, that is hydrogen gas. Means dear student, you know here, when metal gets react with acid, that forms a salt and hydrogen gas, and here we study the reactions of metal, same metal with two acid. When that metal react with hydrochloric acid, forms a chlorides of metal and hydrogen gas, and when same metal react with sulfuric acid, forms a sulfate of metal and hydrogen gas. Means in this way, student, that is when metal react with acid, forms salt and hydrogen gas. You know, dear student, when metal react with base, reactions of base with metal. Now we study that is a reactions of base with metal. How that base gets react with metal? Reactions of base with metals. How that is base react with metal? Dear student, you know here, when base react with metal, that also forms a salt and hydrogen gas. You know base when react with metal, that forms a salt and hydrogen gas. We study the example here. You know that is common statement. When metals react with base, forms salt and hydrogen gas. That is the common statement. Base also react with metal, forms a salt and hydrogen gas, is a common statement there. then you know what is a common equation there? Common equation, that is metal plus base, that gives metal salt, or we call metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Metal salt plus hydrogen gas. You know, metal plus base, this metal react with base, that forms a metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Now we take an example of same metal there. Zinc react with base NaOH. Example, when zinc metal react with sodium hydroxide, look here, when zinc metal react with sodium hydroxide, forms sodium zincate. Sodium zincate is a salt of zinc and hydrogen gas. Forms sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. You know, metal is zinc, base is sodium hydroxide, that is metal salt is sodium zincate, and you know that forms a hydrogen gas. That is the example of this process here. How we write the balanced chemical equation of this process, that is Zn plus 2NaOH, Zn plus 2NaOH, that gives Na2ZnO2, that gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. In this way, here Na2ZnO2 is sodium zincate, is a salt of this sodium or salt of this zinc. Sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas H2, means Zn plus 2NaOH, that gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. Means dear student, today we study the such chemical property here, that reaction of acid and base with metal. Dear student, you know here acid react with metal, react with acid, forms salt and hydrogen gas. You know here metal also react with base, forms a salt and hydrogen gas. We see shortly, acid and base react with metal, form salt and hydrogen gas. Means in this way, dear student, you can write a notes in your notebook. Then I will explain, that is three examples. You can write again some example of, that is metal react with acid and metals react with base in your notebook, and make a proper practice there. If that any doubt is there, then ask to me on my personal number and personal WhatsApp there. In this way, here that is the one important topic, that is a chemical reactions of acid and base with metal. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel to learn a total syllabus of science of CBSE 10th class. Thanks.